Hello animal friends, you should know this. Sharks can swim without making a sound because they do not have sound organs or vocal cords like humans or other mammals. They communicate in different ways, such as using body movements, postures, or electricity to interact with fellow sharks and the environment around them. In the water, sharks rely on other senses, such as a very keen sense of smell and the ability to sense vibrations, to communicate, find food and interact in their marine life. These abilities allow them to operate efficiently in the marine ecosystem without the need for sound.